I'm Dr. Usman Sanko, and I'm sitting in my office inside the clinic of the Orthodox Mission in Sierra Leone. As you can see, this is my office space, which I normally receive patients who are coming to us for medical care, ranging from various kind of condition. And we are treating them here, and I'm seeing them here. And the Orthodox Mission, all what we are doing here, we are giving free medical care to the people of Sierra Leone. We are helping those who we can help, and also we give them some basic medical advice. We want to say thank you to Father Temi, which he is the one advocating for the people of Sierra Leone so that they can be able to get free medical care. And so we want to say thank you, and we are grateful to him. And also, most importantly, we want to also say thank you to our donor partners, people who are helping the Orthodox Mission out of Sierra Leone. They are also doing great, and we are grateful. The people of Sierra Leone are grateful. We want to say thank you, because without them, all this cannot be achievable. Without them, all this cannot be accomplished. And so with that, the people are so grateful, because in Sierra Leone, medical conditions relating to finance is very, very difficult for them to be able to acquire it, because drugs, medical treatment, they are all quite expensive for our people here. And with the blessing of the Orthodox Mission, with the blessing of our donor partners, with the blessing of Father Temi, we are able to achieve some of these things. We are able to give them free. We are able to make sure that the people of Sierra Leone have some of these benefits which they cannot be able to get. We are able to make them comfortable in their daily lives. We are able to make them believe that the Orthodox Mission is here in Sierra Leone for them, to help the less privileged, to help those who cannot able to afford it. And we want to say thank you, and we are grateful. These are some of the patients that came here today, which are sitting at the reception of my clinic, of the Orthodox clinic, which have different eyes problems, ranging from cataracts, blood vision, and different conjunctival problems. And so I'm going to check them one at a time, and also try to know which kind of defect they have, or which kind of conjunctival problem they have, which I will use to help them with the glasses which have been donated to us by the Orthodox Mission and our partners. And we are very grateful, and we appreciate it. And the people of Sierra Leone want to say thank you to the donors partners which are helping us to help our people here. Specifically, I'm grateful as a doctor, and we will continue to do our best so that our people will have the best medical care, which through the mission will give them. And today I will start from the younger one here, which is a boy at around 12 years of age, and he came here, and I'm going to give him the first priority so that I can able to examine him properly. And so, come in. As I've said earlier, this is one of my patients by the name of Titus, who came here today with problem of blood vision, and also some amount of irritation. And so I have going to check his eyes now.